Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to my very first video of 2020. Woo! Actually, the first video that I've actually shot in 2020. I released a couple, I don't know, a few weeks ago, but they were filmed last year. I still got a bunch from last year that I have to post. I've been down for the count, big time. It's the middle of February, well, just past the middle of February. It's about, I think it's the 18th or 19th. Anyway, I was sick as fuck. Like, really fucking sick. Two different things. And, doesn't matter what, but I'm okay now. Well, not really. Never okay. I didn't drink for 5 fucking weeks. Oh, come to Papa. It's not my first. I had a couple yesterday and a few the day before. Cheers, big ears. Woo! The beer store missed me. Yeah. Well, I wasn't able to walk for almost 4 weeks. Then my arm stopped working. But we're back at her, bitches. So that's a bit of an update from Bastardland. This is also a mail call. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. One of my viewers and subscribers and buddy from Australia, Mr. Brad Pickersgill, sent me a package a long time ago. But it did take its sweet time getting here from Australia. But it's here. So now, we're going to open it up and do a mail call. Thank you very much, buddy, for sending me this nice package. She's a bit beat to fuck. Like, it's plastic hanging out, boxes ripped, not open. Nothing, doesn't look like anything's like missing, I guess. I don't know. It was opened by the border officials, Canada Border Services Agency, CBSA. Fuck you guys. Bunch of cockholes. So yeah, it cost a pretty penny too, 65 Australian dollars to mail that. Well, I know mail stuff is expensive. I ship shit all over the world with my eBay stuff. So yeah, so let's open this bitch up, eh? But fuck, that tastes good, eh? I might have to go up in the garage and get some more. I think I only have one more in the fridge. Alright, bitches, let's open this up. Should we just rip her? Let's cut along the customs tape. Oh, pardon me. I don't know what kind of box this is. Where are the seams? Hello, seams. Ah, there you go. Bitches! Cut right through it. Oh, there's a note. Oh, right on. Hey, jackalope. I've had that before. That's fucking awesome. He sent me that a couple of years back. Like, I wonder if I have to get glasses for this. I definitely have to get glasses for this. Spectacles. Spectacles help me see when I have to read. My dearest GB, a sincere apology for the delay in getting this package to you. It's been a hell of a year. Fucking right it has, buddy. Hope you enjoy the selection of our Aussie barbecue products. Most, the fucking holy grail. Oh, yes. Fuck yeah. Oh, that stuff's fucking beautiful, man. Rock the fuck on. Rock the fuck on. BP. And MP. Maybe it's a Mrs. Right on. Oh. Excellent. Okay, I'm not going to read all this. Oh, Clement Franks. Clement Franks is good too. Awesome, Jackalope. Nice. SPG, excellent. Adobo, this is a different one than from the last time. Awesome, this is fucking beautiful, man. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Oh, meat rub, I thought it said heat rub. It's gonna burn me up. No way. Hand-blended meat rub. Vinegar X. Vinegar with a Y. Wild with a Y. Fuck yeah, that's fucking awesome, man. It's going to cost you a fucking fortune. That's fucking beautiful. Woohoo! Fuck yeah. Well, nothing broke, and the customs officials didn't take anything. The crooked fucking bastards. Fuck yeah. Nice to be able to stand up without the aid of a cane or crutches. Heavenly Hell. Woohoo! Holy Grail. This stuff's fucking awesome, man. Nice. Beauties. Jackalope. This stuff was really good. I don't know if it's the same one. I have the fucking package. Never had that. Well, that's just SPG, which is good. Everybody uses SPG. And this guy. Fuck yeah. Holy Grail. Woohoo! Dose. Minimum. Fuck yeah. That's fucking awesome. I'm gonna have to get a fucking beer going here. Cheers, Brad. Thanks, buddy. And MP. Woohoo! I'm gonna send you guys down some bastard rub. I got a few bastard rubs to send out to people. I haven't been able to do fuck all, man. I'm telling you. This used to be, well, like not being able to walk and do shit. That used to be my life for quite a while. Hey, Clement Franks. Nice. Jalapeno and apple hot sauce. I had Clement Franks last time, but it was a different one. It was mango something. It was really fucking good. Awesome. Hope this doesn't make me fucking shit fire. What is that? Oh, that's the hole. Oh, something did leak. Aha. Whatever it is, it must be gone. But something did leak. That looks sealed. That looks sealed. Oh, maybe whatever was there, maybe it broke. And maybe that's why the fuckers opened it. Or it was a dirty box to begin with. I doubt that. Barbecue Mafia. La Familia. I was just watching a thing the other day. Whose channel was that? Oh, it was Chris the Butcher. And there was La Familia. But it was with a G. But the G is silent. Nice. Ah, sealed. Beauties. Royal Blend. A vinegar hit. Right on. The Enforcer. Bold with a touch of heat. The Enforcer. Right on. Hey, thanks, buddy. Thanks a million. That's fucking awesome. Fuck yeah. Woohoo! Nice. Well, Fucking holy grail. That's fucking beautiful. Put that on I did the last of it that I had. I put it on pork belly burnt ends. Oh my fuck. Oh, fuck yeah. Thank you so much, buddy. That's just fucking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Cheers, big ears. Woo! So, an Aussie mail call. Bit of an update. I should be back at her. Woo! And, yeah. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Right on. Until next time. We'll be back. We're gonna start cooking. I haven't cooked a fucking thing all year. It's almost the third week of fucking February. I have not cooked once. It's pretty fucking scary. Guess what? We gotta get back at her. Cheers, big ears. RTFO. Keep on rocking on the free world, bitches. Boom! And people sending me things is Vault Boy and Vault Girl and Vault Boy approved. Fuck yeah. RTFO, mofos.